Fishing is a great way to relax and enjoy the outdoors, no matter your age. I have listed the best 20 fishing gadgets that make the experience easier and more enjoyable for seniors and everyone else who loves to fish. These tools can help with everything from casting to reeling in a catch with less effort. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Daiwa S500JP Electric Reel. With a gear ratio of 3.6 and a winding length of 21.7 inches, this reel offers efficient retrieval. It boasts a drag force of 3.5 pounds and weighs 28.7 ounces, ensuring durability without excessive weight. The standard line winding capacity accommodates PE lines of 4-500 meter, 5-400 meter, and 6-300 meter, with a normal winding speed of 135 m a minute under a 2.2 pounds load. Its maximum winding force reaches 165 pounds, making it suitable for challenging fishing conditions. Takudki heated seat cushion. This portable and lightweight cushion folds easily into a compact size of 15 by 13 by 3 inches and weighs only 1.2 pounds, featuring an easy-to-carry handle ideal for outdoor use. Equipped with 3 adjustable heating modes reaching up to 149°F, it ensures warmth during cold seasons at various events. Additionally, it can be powered by any USB source and doubles as a heated pad for pets when used indoors. Sugilary Fish Hook Remover. This tool allows for fast decoupling with one hand, featuring an ergonomic plastic handle that fits perfectly in the palm for easy removal of troublesome hooks. Available in 2 sizes, a shorter 7.08 x 2.95 inch version for portability and a longer 8.66 x 2.95 inch version suitable for handling long-mouthed fish such as sharks and barracudas. Ever Advanced Fishing Chair. This chair includes a quick-access cooler to keep drinks and food fresh, with a convenient window for easy retrieval. An adjustable rod holder frees your hands and can be directed without moving the chair. Additionally, it offers multifunctional storage for fishing tools, accessories, and personal items, ensuring everything is within reach during your fishing adventures. Skeilty Hook Sharpener. These portable and convenient sharpeners feature black handles for a firm grip, preventing slipping, and are equipped with a handy rope detail for easy storage. Made with reliable diamond material and a metal foundation combined with non-slip PVC texture on the handle, they ensure longevity and repeated use over time. Mateen Fishing Backpack. This dual-structure backpack includes a large front-loading cooler compartment that can hold 4 3,600 tackle boxes, with a double zipper for easy access. Enhanced comfort is provided by a back panel and shoulder straps with padding and breathable mesh, along with an adjustable chest belt for even weight distribution. Made of premium nylon fabrics and anti-rust zinc alloy zippers, it is extremely water-resistant and perfect for fishing activities. Jonard Tools Magnetic Retrieval System Kit. This retrieval system includes a 10-foot ball chain with a 3/4 inch diameter stop ring and an expandable retriever hook that extends up to 18 inch. Designed to bend into any shape, it can retrieve the ball chain through access holes as small as a 1/4 inch, making it ideal for fishing wires through walls without damaging surfaces. Hot Hands Insole Foot Warmers. These insole foot warmers activate upon removal from the package and exposure to air, heating up in 15 to 30 minutes. They provide everyday warmth and are ideal for outdoor activities such as sporting events, hunting, camping, and hiking. Designed for single use, they offer convenient, compact, and portable warmth during cold conditions. Piscifun Fishing Line Winder. This fishing line winder features adjustable spool width control and spring-loaded tension to ensure even spooling. The suction cup at the bottom can adhere to any smooth surface, especially glass with water, providing stability during use. Note: braided fishing line is not included with this product. Wattelier Fishing Electric Lures. This electric lure uses a simulated fish swimming programming system and lighting design with a high-speed motor and LED lighting. It automatically stops after 5 to 10 seconds, waiting for prey to be hooked, enhancing fishing efficiency. Knox Provisions Zoom Tube. Weighing just 9.5 ounces, this compact monocular features fully multi-coated optics and a Swiss-designed back 4 prism, delivering a bright 384 feet field of view at 1,000 yards. Its scratch-proof, water-resistant construction ensures durability for activities like birdwatching, hiking, and traveling. Designed for smartphone photography, it allows easy capture and sharing of crisp images. With an IPX4 water resistance rating, it withstands various weather conditions. The multi-stop twist-up iCup and ergonomic rugged wave grip enhance user comfort, while the integrated 1/4-inch 20-threaded tripod adapter offers stable viewing options. Plusino vertical fishing rod holder. Capable of holding fishing rods or combos with diameters ranging from 0.12 to 0.75 inch, this vertical rod holder meets the diverse storage needs of fishing enthusiasts. Its innovative grip design utilizes an arc-shaped roller to securely hold rods of varying diameters, preventing them from sliding and sustaining damage. The holder accommodates up to 9 rods or combos in less than 16 inches of wall space, optimizing storage efficiency. Mr. Heater Portable LP Heater. This portable propane heater delivers 3,800 British thermal units of radiant heat, effectively warming areas up to 95 square feet. Equipped with safety features like an accidental tip-over shut-off and an automatic low-oxygen shut-off system, it ensures user protection. Certified for outdoor use only, it is approved for use in Canada and Massachusetts. Designed for propane gas, it offers reliable warmth in various outdoor settings. THRAID Mini First Aid Kit. This compact first aid kit contains 100 pieces of essential medical supplies, including various bandages, iodine pads, burn gel, PVC gloves, and gauze pads. Certified to meet international standards, it ensures compliance wherever used. The high-quality case measures 6.2 inch x 4.4 inch x 2.1 inch, is lightweight at 0.53 pounds, and features a waterproof EVA surface for enhanced durability. Equipped with premium double zippers and a bonus carabiner, it offers convenience for outdoor activities and fits easily in vehicles, boats, or backpacks. Thule Fishing Rod Carrier. This fishing rod carrier accommodates 2 fully assembled fly rods up to 10 feet in length and reel diameters up to 4.25 inches with fighting butts. Constructed with aircraft-grade, anodized aluminum rod tubes and a heavy-duty, glass-reinforced nylon reel case, it ensures maximum protection. The carrier locks securely to keep rods safe and can be attached to the vehicle with a small padlock. Universal mounting hardware fits all Thule crossbars and a wide range of roof racks. Cookie Blend Fishing Chair Umbrella Holder. Offering both foldable and non-foldable options, this umbrella holder is crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and impact resistance. Its compact design allows for easy installation on fishing chairs, with adjustable settings to accommodate various angles. The lock closure fits securely on 25mm chair tubes, making it versatile for use with beach chairs, fishing chairs, or strollers. HireCool Waterproof Phone Pouch. Certified IPX8 waterproof, this phone pouch utilizes triple-layer lockdown technology to safeguard devices against water, snow, dust, and sand. Measuring 8.3 inches, it fits most cell phones with or without a case, offering double protection. The upgraded TPU material ensures responsive touch-screen functionality, including Face ID unlock and calling. High transmittance transparency allows for clear underwater photography, making it ideal for beach and cruise activities. An adjustable lanyard, ranging from 13.8 to 21 inches, provides versatile carrying options. Newport Electric Trolling Motor. Providing 55 pound of thrust, this 12-volt electric trolling motor offers excellent power and efficiency for boaters. High-quality components allow for all-day operation without overheating or disturbing fish. Features include a 36-inch fiberglass shaft, a 10-lead battery meter, a 6-inch telescoping tiller handle, a 30-degree adjustable head, and a 3-blade propeller. The motor offers 8 speeds, 5 forward and 3 reverse, and requires a 12-volt lead-acid deep cycle or lithium deep cycle battery, not included, with a 50-amp circuit breaker included for protection. Your choice ice fishing shelter. Designed to accommodate 3 to 4 people, this ice fishing shelter sets up in 60 seconds, providing 33 square feet of fishable space. Constructed with a 3-layer, abrasion-resistant fabric and 120 grams of high-loft insulation, it offers maximum warmth and wind protection. Features include 2-layer detachable windows, Velcro air vents, dual zipper doors, internal pockets, and reflective strips for nighttime safety. Equipped with ice spikes and ropes, it remains stable on windy days. Furion Fishing Boots. These deck boots are made of 100% waterproof rubber and neoprene, featuring a 1-inch flat heel to keep feet dry in adverse weather. The rubber upper ensures durability and all-day comfort. A slip-resistant outsole tread pattern provides a secure grip on wet and slippery surfaces, making them suitable for rainy days or waterlogged decks. The soft 5mm neoprene lining offers insulation and prevents chafing, ensuring comfort throughout the day. Fishing should be relaxing, not a struggle, and with these 20 amazing gadgets, anglers of all ages, especially seniors, can enjoy smoother, more enjoyable fishing trips. Whether you're looking for tools to make casting easier, gear to keep you comfortable, or tech to help you reel in the big one, these gadgets are sure to enhance your time on the water. Want to get your hands on these must-have fishing gadgets? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.